This is to Ronald Wentz, who lives in Bardstown, Kentucky. When I contacted you last year, when I found you on Facebook, you have my Chancellor. You know he was stolen by the Bullitt County Animal Shelter. Tony Wilson, who criminally trespassed, walked through my front door, stole him and my 4 other beloved animals. You have stolen property, Ronald Wentz. And then, Tony Wilson, who's been with the Bullitt County Animal Shelter for 18 years. You murdered animals. You sold them for profit. You stole them. That was proven September the 20th in the fiscal court meeting in front of old corrupt Jerry Summers. It was September the 15th of 2020, where 3 men testified against Angie Webb Greenup, who was the assistant director underneath her. You, Tony Wilson. You. You're corrupt. You're a thief. You're a liar. You violated my privacy, my due process. And Whitaker was in on it. I was told when I was illegally locked up by old corrupt Jennifer Porter Griffey that I was just giving them permission to get on my property for Greg and Becky Strife at Tribes to temporarily take my beloved goats. That was a lie. See, I had no glasses. It's very seldom you ever see me on here without glasses. I'm blind. I can see far away. I can't see up close. I'm blind without glasses. Okay? You lied to me, Whitaker. Said I was just giving Becky and Greg Strife of Tribes Animal Shelter permission to get on my property to temporarily take my beloved goats. The 3. My solely. That I had for 8 years. You're a liar, Whitaker. You're a thief. You're in with the mafia. Tammy Downs Baker. Jennifer Porter Griffey. Keith Griffey. Peyton Griffey. Jerry Summers. Lawson. Meredith. And the rest of them. They're coming home. You watch.